Is the digital gateway to your Google world suddenly locked shut? Let's get you back in. First, let's tackle the most common culprit your browser. Try closing all open tabs and restarting your web browser entirely. Sometimes, a simple refresh is all it takes to clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, let's delve into your browser's settings to clear your cache and cookies. Navigate to your browser's history or privacy settings and select the option to clear browsing data. Making sure to choose cookies and other site data and cached images and files. This often resolves login issues by removing outdated information. Still no luck? It might be an account-specific issue. Head over to the Google Account Recovery page. This page is designed to help you if you've forgotten your password or if there's a suspicious activity flagging your account. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Now, let's consider your internet connection. Open another reliable website in your browser to ensure your internet is working properly if other sites are also slow or inaccessible. The problem might be with your Wi-Fi or internet service provider. Try restarting your router and modem. You can also run an internet speed test on a separate site to verify your connection is stable enough for Google services. If speeds are drastically low, contact your internet provider. If you've tried these steps and are still facing access issues, it's possible the Google service itself might be experiencing temporary downtime. You can check the Google Workspace status dashboard for updates on any known outages affecting services like Gmail or Drive. With these steps, you should be able to regain access to your favorite Google products in no time.